The Stargate Project, President Donald Trump's recent announcement of a massive $500 billion Stargate Project, a joint initiative with OpenAI, the creators of ChatGPT, SoftBank, the Japanese investment firm, Oracle, the tech giant, and Emirati Sovereign Wealth Fund, and many others to develop massive AI infrastructure in the United States. The initiative aims to construct advanced data centers and power plants to support the development of artificial intelligence models. This will have significant impact for various public companies. As a retail investor, I'm interested to know some of the sectors and the industries which will benefit from this massive initiative and some of the companies which are within those sectors. In this video, I will talk about 14 sectors or industries that are likely to benefit from this initiative and also some of the companies within those sectors. For each of these 53 companies, I have shared the current share price as of January 24, 2025 and compared them with the fair market value as reported by Morningstar. And I have identified 16 stocks which are considered to be undervalued. And I have also looked into the annual dividend yield of each of these 53 companies, and I have found 4 companies have annual dividend yield of over 4%. Watch this video till the end if you do not have the time, the desire, the energy, and the interest in researching any one of these stocks. I have provided a name of one single ETF or exchange traded fund which is trading at below $35 that you can buy shares of if you are interested in this particular artificial intelligence ecosystem. So sit back, relax, and watch the presentation. Hello, welcome back. My name is David Das, a retired engineer, and you're watching my YouTube channel, Think and Retire. You do not have to like the video at this time. If you find any value in this video, you can give a thumbs up at the end. And if you have not subscribed, please consider subscribing so you do not miss similar videos in the future. So what is the Stargate Project? The creator of the ChatGPT, OpenAI, is teaming up with another US tech giant, Oracle, a Japanese investment firm, SoftBank, and an Emirati Sovereign Wealth Fund to build $500 billion artificial intelligence infrastructure in the United States. Initial $100 billion investment will start with data centers in Texas. The goal is to construct 10 data centers initially with plans to expand to 20 locations of about 500,000 square feet each. Many large data centers will be built throughout the world. Bloomberg just reported that Asia's richest person, Mukesh Ambani of Reliance Industries, will build the world's largest data center in India. The whole initiative is considered as the future of technology, and I'm really excited about this news. So the first thing I'm going to talk about is the key beneficiaries of the Stargate project. So as I mentioned before, I'm going to talk about 14 sectors and industries, and then I'm going to mention 53 names, and I'm also going to tell them which ones are undervalued and also which ones have dividend yield of over 4%. Before I go into the details, you may ask how you can get started. So if I were you, I will add these stocks into a watch list and I will do a fundamental and technical analysis at a later date. When the timing is right and it meets my investment objectives, I will decide whether I should buy them or sell them depending on my situation. Again, please keep in mind that this video is for educational purposes only and not a recommendation to buy or sell any securities. I just want to add one more thing, that this is not a complete list of stocks or industries or companies. There are more. So this will just give you a snapshot. So the first company on my list is Oracle Corporation. They are the primary collaborator of the Stargate project. They are expected to provide essential cloud computing services and infrastructure. The second company is nvda Corporation with the ticker symbol nvda. They will provide advanced graphics processing units and hardware for the project data centers. The third one is SoftBank Group with the ticker symbol SFTBY. They will be the major investor and a core lead of the project. Number 4, Microsoft Corporation. They are already a partner with OpenAI, who are the creators of ChatGPT. The fifth company on my list is ARMS Holding with ticker symbol ARM, semiconductor designs tailored for AI applications. Number 6, Palantir Technologies, PLTR. Their expertise in big data analytics and AI. The seventh company is Amazon, ticker symbol AMZN. They are going to assist with the AI infrastructure. The same thing with Alphabet, ticker symbol GOOGL. They are going to provide the AI infrastructure. In addition to these primary beneficiaries, there will be demand for data center construction, energy management, and networking technologies. Now I'm going to give a list of 14 sectors and industries which might benefit from the Stargate project. Then I will provide you with a list of few US companies within those sectors and industries. If you're interested to know the companies in other countries, you can do a research and find out who are the key players in your country of each of these sectors. So for energy supplies and infrastructure, I have 5 names. Number 1 is Next Era Energy, ticker symbol NEE, for renewable energy and other sustainable energy solutions. Number 2, Duke Energy with ticker symbol DUK for supplying electricity to new data centers. Schneider Electric for energy management and automation solutions. Enphase Energy for solar energy solutions. And number 5 is Brookfield Renewable Partners for renewable energy. The next sector is telecommunications and networking, and I found these 5 names that are expected to benefit from the Stargate project. Number 1, Arista Networks. They are the networking solutions for massive data traffic. Number 2, Ciena Corporation, optical networking, supply infrastructure for connecting data centers. Number 3, Cisco Systems. Cisco's routers, switches, and AI-driven network solutions for the project's communication needs. Verizon for the 5G technology for connectivity. And number 5, Crown Castle International, fiber networks to support AI initiatives. For construction and real estate, I have 4 names. AECOM with the ticker symbol ACM for designing and building high-tech facilities. Number 2, Digital Realty Trust, DLR, major real estate investment trust, or REIT, focused on the data centers. Third one is Equinix, EQIX, another leading data center REIT. Number 4 is Fluor Corporation with ticker symbol FLR for building the necessary infrastructure. For semiconductors and hardware providers, I have 3 names. Marvell Technology for data infrastructure semiconductor solutions. Number 2, Broadcom, which is AVGO, for networking chips and storage solutions. And number 3, Micron Technology for memory and storage products. For cooling and energy efficient solutions, I have 3 names. Number 1 is Vertiv Holdings, ticker symbol VRT, for thermal management and critical power systems. Number 2, Johnson Controls, ticker symbol JCI, for optimizing energy use. Number 3, Honeywell with the ticker symbol HON for smart building solutions and cooling systems. Beyond the energy, telecommunications, construction, and hardware industries and sectors, there are few more sectors and industries that will also benefit. For cybersecurity, I have 3 names. CrowdStrike Holdings, CRWD, Cloud Native Cybersecurity Platform. Number 2, Fortinet, FTNT, Network Security Solutions. And the number 3 is Palo Alto Networks, PANW, to secure the project's infrastructure. For AI and data analytics software providers, I have 2 names. Snowflake Inc., SNOW, cloud-based data warehousing solutions. The second one on my list is Datadog with the ticker symbol DDOG for cloud monitoring. For financial services and fintech, I have 4 names. Number 1 is Goldman Sachs, ticker symbol GS, for managing financing and providing advisory roles to the project. The MasterCard for fraud detection and payment solutions. Visa, same thing, fraud detection and payment solutions. And number 4, I have Block, which used to be called Square, for AI-driven payment systems. For logistics and supply chain, I have 3 names. The number 1 is UPS for transportation of equipment and materials for the data centers. Number 2, FedEx Corporation, similar to US logistical operations, supporting the project. Number 3 is Prologis with the ticker symbol PLD. They are the leaders in industrial real estate. They can actually lease space for manufacturing and storage tied to this massive initiative. For advanced materials and manufacturing, I have 3 names. 3M Company to supply components for data center construction and cooling systems. Number 2, Corning Incorporated to provide fiber optics and materials for high performance technology. And number 3, Applied Materials with the ticker symbol AMAT for equipment for semiconductor manufacturing. For cloud storage and backup solutions, I have 2 names. Box Inc. with the ticker symbol BOX for securing cloud storage. Number 2, I have Dropbox DBX for storage solutions. For healthcare and life sciences, I have three names. Number one is Thermo Fisher Scientific, ticker symbol TMO. They can utilize the enhanced AI for drug discovery and diagnostics. Number two, Intuitive Surgical, ISRG. They are more AI-driven surgical systems, may become more advanced. And then I have Moderna, mRNA. They can use the AI tools developed, could accelerate vaccine and treatment developments. For consumer technology, I have three names. So number one is Apple with the new and improved AI models. They can improve their Siri, the augmented reality, and the device optimization. Number two is Tesla. They can also use the new AI models to enhance their Tesla vehicles. And number three is Sony Corporation with the ticker symbol SONY. And their investment in gaming and AI could also align and become better with the new AI models. And the last sector and or industry that I have on my list is the education and training. I think this is going to be a huge one because as the AI will expand, there will be a need for more upskilling, more training. And so that will benefit some of these companies like Coursera with the ticker symbol COUR for AI-focused courses, and also Chegg, which is CHGG, AI-related training materials they can be involved with. So these are some of the companies and the diverse sectors, industries that stand to gain from the ripple effects of the Stargate project. These companies may not be directly tied to the AI infrastructure, but will play critical roles in the ecosystem it creates. And now the fun part. As I mentioned before, I have gone through all these 53 stocks and I compared their share prices as of closing January 24, 2025, and I compared them with the fair market value as reported by Morningstar, and I found 16 companies who are undervalued on this particular day. By the time you watch the video, these numbers will change, so you have to do your own research before investing. And these 16 undervalued companies they are shown on the screen. I'm not going to mention the names for each of them. You can take a snapshot and you can do your own research. And the next fun part is out of those 16 companies, there are 4 companies which have an annual dividend yield of over 4%. And these are Brookfield Renewable Partners, annual dividend yield of 6.64%, Verizon Communications, annual dividend yield of 6.85%, Crown Castle International, annual dividend yield of 7.07%, and UPS 4.90%. Because you have watched the video so far, I will give you a bonus, a name and a ticker symbol of an exchange traded fund or ETF. If you do not have the time, the energy, the desire, or the interest to do research on all of these stocks that I mentioned, you can just buy this particular ETF trading below $35 as of January 24, 2025. And the name of the ETF is Global X Robotics and Artificial Intelligence ETF with the ticker symbol BOTZ. I hope you found the video informative. If you find any value in this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please do so you do not miss my future videos. Again, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Happy investing.